Hello guys, welcome once again to today's video. So if you have not submitted your entry for the DV Lottery 2026, then this is the right time for you to do it. There is a good news because the date or the closing date for you to submit your application has been extended to 7th of November 2024. So initially it was on the 5th of November 2024 and they have extended it to 7th November 2024. So if you have not submitted your entry, this is the right time for you to submit. This is a good news. So what you have to do is just take your picture, go to the platform dvprogram.state.gov. This is the official platform that you need to visit and submit your entry. This is the right time for you to do it. You can do it yourself. You can do it without paying any amount of money to anyone. So if you're having anything, if you're having any problem concerning the application for the DBW 2026 entry, you can check my channel. I have more videos that you can watch and learn from there. If you're finding it difficult to get the standard photograph for the DV, I have another video that show you guys how to get the standard photograph or standard picture for the DV program entry. That is the 2026 entry. Thank you for watching this video and please do well to always like this video, share this video to your friends. See you. Bye bye.